Ready to unlock those legendary arenas and max out your card levels in Clash Royale without breaking the bank? Let's dive into how to use that Visa gift card to dominate the game. First, you'll need to add your Visa gift card to your Apple account. Make sure your gift card has enough funds to cover your desired purchase on your iPhone. Open the App Store app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually displays your photo or initials. Next, tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code if prompted. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. You can either manually enter the 16-digit code from the back of your Visa gift card, or use your camera to scan it by tapping Use Camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the redemption process. Your gift card balance will now be added to your Apple account balance. Now, open Clash Royale. Navigate to the in-game shop where you can purchase gems, offers, or the Pass Royale. Select the item you want to purchase. Because your Apple account now has a balance, it will automatically use that balance as the primary payment method on all of your apps through App Store. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. If you're on Android, the process is very similar. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This opens up your account menu. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions, then choose Payment Methods. Select Add Credit or Debit Card. Enter the Visa gift card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure the name and address match the card's registration, if any. Open Clash Royale and head to the in-game shop. When you make a purchase, your Google Play balance will be used first, which includes the funds from your Visa gift card, and there you have it. Now you can strategically use your Visa gift card to get ahead in Clash Royale.